Hi friends, this is Sajid Sheikh welcomes you on Stars Nursing channel. Today I am going to introduce to a new mobile application which is going to help you for preparing various nursing examinations. This video I am going to post in English language on the request from the application producer. So keep watching this video till the end. For installing this application, you have to visit Play Store. So you have to search for the Play Store, and after going to the Play Store, you have to search for the GK for Nursing or GK Nursing app. This application you can get over here, and you have to search for the GK for Nursing app, GK for Success Nursing application. So this will be the icon. This will be the view of the application that you have to install. So I'm going to install this application. My application is getting installed. Till that period, you just subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for getting latest updates. Friends, my application is now getting installed. After installation of the application, you have to open the application. So after opening the application, you will get a GK for Success application for the staff nurse. So here you have to sign up. You have to fill all the details. See what you can get inside this application. So here you have to enter your name, your email ID with your phone number, and you have to set your username and password. So I am filling all the information, required information. So I am filling my password. After that, your user ID and password will get created. Now that same things you have to enter over here to start the application. Once you will fill these details, you will log into a application which will show you multiple choice questions, objective type questions, everything will be there. But you have to upgrade this app to use for the more days. This application usually runs for 2 to 3 days, but still if you want to use it, then you have to pay 560 rupees. But now 50% discount is going on. With the help of that, you have to pay only 280 rupees. So I am going to select one option from here, that is internet banking, State Bank of India internet banking option. Through that I am going to pay my 280 rupees payment. After submission of user ID password, I have to confirm. I have to press the OTP, enter the OTP in that. After entering OTP, my payment confirmation I will get. So after payment confirmation, till that period, I request you all to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for getting latest updates. So after getting payment done, you can enjoy additional features. Additional questions will get added into your account, and you can study all the questions. So you can study objective type questions including all the subjects. Nursing subjects will be involved. You can get anatomy, physiology, microbiology, then fundamental of nursing, all the subjects. Various options, more options will be there. Multiple choice question, in that you can select the option and you can see whether your answer is correct or not. That you can verify. So like this also you can study. because all other nursing exams will be online. that's why you can prepare for that also. Objective type questions also will be there. In that, in single word you can get your answer also. For studying, both the methods they have given, and that will be beneficial for the nurses to study. These are the various methods through which you can study for the exams. Model question paper, regarding that also I will tell you, but before that I will request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get latest update. Model question papers, in that you can get various model questions. They are updating day by day, so previous question papers also will be there in that, and some model question papers will be also there. In previous question papers you can study from the AIIMS Delhi, ESIC, ESIS, GMCH, JPIMR, then Kerala PSC, PGIMR. Like this question papers will be there from all the sectors, all the states. Question papers are getting added in this, and they are updating it day by day. Then reported mistakes, all nursing exams, notification, nursing jobs, nursing books, IELTS exams, all the things will be getting included in this. Already you have upgraded the app, so you no need to upgrade. You can easily get all the questions. GK and current affair questions also will be there, which you can study, which will be updated every day. In that also objective type questions will be there. You can select and study in that also. So overall all the things will be covered in only single application. So for the nurses this application is very useful, so install this application and enjoy. Thank you very much. And before leaving this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for getting latest updates. Thank you very much again.